Hey, fact finders, welcome back to another fascinating episode on the KnowHook Facts channel, where curiosity meets knowledge. Today, we're diving into the lush world of plants and the surprising ways our interaction with them can influence their growth. Picture this. You're sitting at home gently stroking the leaves of your favorite potted fern or trailing ivy. It's soothing, right? But did you know that this simple act of affection might be doing more than just calming your nerves? That's right, your gentle touch could be aiding in your plant's healthy growth. Such a fascinating fact, isn't it? But how does this work, you ask? It's a little something called Thigmotropism, a biological response plants have to touch or physical contact. Intrigued? We thought so. So without further ado, let's leaf through the details. It's a phenomenon known as Thigmotropism. A biological response plants have to touch or physical contact. Now let's delve deeper into this fascinating world of plant communication. When you gently stroke a leaf, the plant perceives this touch and sets off a series of events. This interaction triggers the release of growth hormones, kickstarting a domino effect of growth and resilience. These hormones help the plant to become more robust, better equipped to handle the challenges of its environment. Now consider climbing plants, like your favorite indoor vine or garden climber. These adaptable greens have an additional layer of sensitivity. They rely on the sensation of touch to determine their growth direction, often wrapping around the nearest support they can find. It's a clever adaptation, don't you think? So when you're tending to your plants, remember that your touch can guide them. So your little touch might just give your indoor vine or garden climber the hint it needs to reach towards that perfect sunny spot. But the plot thickens. While a little touch can be good, too much isn't. Just like us, plants also need their personal space. They relish a gentle caress but cringe at an overbearing touch. Heavy handling or shaking can cause undue stress, stunting their growth and making them less resilient. Picture this. It's like being in a crowded elevator. It's okay for a while, but prolonged exposure can be uncomfortable, right? Scientists have observed that too much physical interaction can have a negative impact on a plant's health, leading to reduced growth and even premature death. It's a delicate balance, and the key is to be gentle. A soft stroke here, a light touch there. It's all about understanding your green companions and giving them the care they need. Think of it as a plant spa treatment. A little goes a long way. So, next time you're tending to your leafy friends, remember to be kind and gentle. After all, a little love can make a big difference. Isn't it amazing? Who would have thought that a simple caress could speak volumes to your leafy companions? We've explored the incredible phenomenon of thigmotropism, where your gentle touch triggers a cascade of growth events in plants. We've learned that this tactile bond can help plants grow healthier and more resilient, especially those climbing ones reaching for the perfect sunny spot. But remember, it's all about balance. Too much can stress them out, so think of it as a gentle spa treatment for your green friends. Now, we're curious to hear from you. Do you have your own experiences of interacting with plants? Share your green stories with us. Your subscriptions, likes, and comments fuel our journey into the world of fascinating facts. If you've enjoyed this blossoming fact, show us some love by hitting that thumbs up. Don't forget to tap on the bell icon to stay updated on our latest posts. Until then, keep growing your mind.